telling you though. I promise you.
Hit it. Hit it now.
I'm finna throw it over.
Mansfield, Louisiana. North Street, Vine Street.
You know.
Bitch so dark. Let me see that.
I got it.
No, I got it. Get it.
Oh, don't do that, boy.
Yeah. Bill Manny, you heard me? That's the team, you heard me?
Straight up.
You know. I gotta stay out of trouble, you know what I'm saying? It's bigger than us. You know, the picture I'm painting, I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to do something with it.
Dig that.
Yeah. Gotta stay out of jail. They got a nigga like, fuck that, like, fuck that. A lot of niggas talking, so hell no, I can't trust that. I can't trust that. Say you got to work, I'm like, hell no, I can't trust that. I can't trust that. Say you bitch on me, I'm like, hell yeah, I'm like, fuck that. I'm like, fuck that. Gotta stay out of jail. They got a nigga like, fuck that.
They
like,
get him in the Rolls Royce.
A lot of niggas talking, so hell no, I can't trust that. I can't trust that. Say you got to work, I'm like, hell no, I can't trust that. Can't trust that. Say you bitch on me, I'm like, hell yeah, I'm like, fuck that. Gotta stay out of jail. Do what you saying. Boy, you already know you is the man. Your brother got 12 that fucked up the fam. I'm trying to go get it like I give a damn. I break the whole down and put on cam. My team wanna hit. She gotta go ham. She loving the money like she with the fam. I told that whole move, bitch, get off the cam. My lawyer get paid like every little M. He gotta get paid. I watch over him. He watch over me. I gotta pay fee. I'm running for money like running for free. They talking about money like money for free. My bitch wanna fuck. I told her I'm sleep. Her friend in my house. You know she getting beat. I cut off my phone. She put up on me. I open the door like let's do a 3. Don't need no more trouble. My lawyer with me. I paid enough money like fuck a late fee. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Clutch.
I keep on going with
I'm the nigga on the end of Fetty Wap video.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I got $1 zillion on my boy.
Yeah.
You know that's just the nigga with the money.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hell, I got it. You heard that nigga? He sound like $1 zillion. I got $1 zillion on my boy.
I'm gonna spit
In the back of that Bentley
one.
Slave.
I'm gonna spit another one and I'll spit another one. I say, hit a couple lines up. She heard I got a fat dick late night. I was just running it with my nat bitch. Cops pulled me over. I told them they ain't gonna act shit. Couple guns on them. I told them they ain't gonna jack shit. Pulled in the back. I went and jumped in that black bitch. Mister can't see me on ride going to nat bitch. Swag on the honey. He chilling with the first fat bitch. Cuz talking shit. He finna be on my jack list. Hit my niggas up. They coming straight through the back quick. Jay wanted to buy it. My niggas ain't got a jack shit. Paid $100K for the guns. Them bitches act quick. Chilling in the field. I used to chill in the back shit. Got a lot of dope. That nigga ain't trying to match shit. Can't fuck with him. He act too much like a black bitch. Hit my phone up. I'm talking about that nat bitch. Told her chill out. It ain't no more calling me back shit. You know it's dumb. Pulled up in that all-white car, you know I love that. Bitch say she want the dick, I'm finna fuck that. I ain't got time for chillin' and all that. Break the bitch down and tell her to give a call back. Real nigga, if you ain't real, you better fall back. Shooting for the stars and it's real and I want all that. Mama praying for me so you know that I can't fall back. Pussy niggas talking, I can't wait to get the ball back. Looking for a meal, I can't wait to dress in all black. Try to fuck a porn star. Yeah, that bitch just called back. My dog hit me on the line. I told him I need all that. Swag on 100. You pussy nigga better call back. Jack the whole car up and make sure they be in all black. My dog wanted to use the K. We don't need all that. You hear me? You know, Eastwood baby. You know, I was raised, you know, real fast, but you know, smart. You know what I'm saying? The best way to do it is the smart way. Fuck trouble.